Hi, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team. In this video, you will learn how to create a simple landing page and things to consider when creating one. So let's get started. So here we are on a blank page inside Cheetah. Now, if you don't have an idea of how to create a landing page, Builderall makes it that much easier for you to get started. So all you have to do is go over to Add, select Panels, and then skip the blank panel area. And these are going to be pre-made templates that you can pull from. Now they're all alphabetized and they're all really key, wonderful pages that you can reference. So let's go down, for example, and select landing page. When we do that, two different templates come up. So we're going to go ahead and select this one down here by clicking on it. And it is going to drag it into your workspace. So let's take a quick look. Now this template is made up of two panels. So if I right click in the area, here's going to be the first panel here, and then here's the second one right in here. Now you can go in here again and add additional panels just based off of how you want to set up your landing page. To simply do that, just go to Panels, let's go to Return, and then here all you have to do is just go in and select additional pre-made panels, or go into blank panel, select that, and it will drag in a blank panel so that you can start creating your own. Okay, so now let's go up to the top here. Now there are a couple things to focus on. One is to focus on just one core offer and make it about the one offer. Be sure to have a clear and powerful headline. With a clear and powerful headline is a clear and powerful call to action. Now here is a great area to answer a few questions. One is, what does your product or service provide? How will it improve their life or their business? And what action do they have to do to get it? Now focus on explaining the benefits of your product. You can include a features list, but just remember, it's the benefit that speaks to your customer. Now over to the left of your call to action area, we have an image. Now again, this is just a template, so you can go in and kind of change it and make it your own, but keep these things in mind. Here we have an image that you can simply replace with a video. But what I would highly recommend is that you keep your video less than 60 seconds. Again, focusing on your one core offer and the benefits. Now down below, we have a paragraph kind of calling out how this product changes lives. Now you can change this, you can keep this, but one thing to consider is to include short and sweet testimonials from past customers who shared how your product helped benefit them. All right, now going back to your call to action. Now to simply add your list from Mailing Boss, all you have to do is just right click in this area here and then go to Set List. And all of your lists that you've created inside Mailing Boss will show up. So for here, let's just go ahead and select Email Marketing. I'm going to go ahead and select Save. And there you go. You're all set. Next, just go to the Set Link, click on that. And now you just have to answer these simple questions. While the subscription is pending, where do you want to redirect your customer? Once you've created your web pages inside Cheetah, you can come back in here and set your redirect links. Now there's two things to consider. Be sure to optimize your page to load fast on both your desktop and your mobile devices. Chances are your traffic is going to be viewing your website from their mobile device. And lastly, use data to track your landing page traffic and success. And that is how you create a landing page inside Cheetah. I hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team.